Hey, you know all those Visa gift cards you got for Christmas? We're gonna use them today to buy this or that at Universal Orlando. I think we'll start at the Universal Studios store here in Citywalk. Let's start with this Hello Kitty purse for $22. It's all nice and fuzzy. Or furry, yeah, like a cat would be. Hello Kitty slippers for $29. For $27, we have this denim Universal Studios ball cap. If you ever lose your sunglasses in the theme park, maybe they flew off the Hulk or something, or maybe just bust them up somehow, they sell them here. Prices range between $19 and $30 for the sunglasses. Here we have a plush, a Dress a Minions plush. So this is your Minion in just his underwear. $20 for it, but then over here you have your various outfits to dress your Minion in. Look, they're on display here too. Check those out while I'll find the price. 20 bucks for the outfits. Can I get all the way up top? I think I can. So $20 for the underwear Minion, and then all the outfits also 20 bucks. I think I phrased that wrong. Not all of the outfits are $20. It's $20 for each outfit. That makes a little more sense, doesn't it? $40 for the Gryffindor teddy bear. Let's see, what's it? Oh yeah. Look at that. The hood even comes up. Oh, that one has the hood on it right there. Okay, pretty cute for 40 bucks. Wasn't sure what this was at first. Obviously, it's Hedwig, but it's kind of like a little purse. There's a magnet closed there. This will kind of demonstrates a little better. The head has a magnet close and then a little chain for you to carry it with, like a purse. So I'm assuming it's a little purse or a little bag to carry things in. For $30, a Mina Lima tote bag, a Daily Profit tote bag. The store is extremely busy today. Yeah, a lot of people with Visa gift cards to buy things with, I guess. Let's get out of here and head to the theme park. We were at Islands of Adventure for the last merch search, so let's go into Studios for this one. The Five and Dime on Hollywood Boulevard, one of my favorite stores. Let's step inside for a moment. Here we have a whole mummy outfit. The top here, this hoodie, is $65. As you can see, it looks like bandages. And does the hood have anything? Oh yeah, the hood. Oh, this is not the mummy. It's the Bride of Frankenstein in bandages? This is, okay, I'm confused. The hoodie, the actual hood, is the Bride of Frankenstein, but this looks like bandages. Okay, I'm confused, but we'll go with the flow. $45 for the sweatpants, or the pants. Again, it looks like bandages, which I thought would mean the mummy. Oh no. Well, this didn't go well for me, did it? But apparently, you know, I'm used to the Bride of Frankenstein with the, you know, like the white gown or dress, but this, you guys let me know what you think of this outfit here. Bandages and the Bride of Frankenstein, like hoodie, like her hair. I mean, it is in the Bride of Frankenstein section. I'm just, you know, just slightly befuddled, but, you know, it is what it is. What do you think about this? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, I'm studying the doll for further context, the doll is $32. Obviously with the white dress that I am familiar with, but if you look at the arms, they appear to be bandages. So all right, it works, I guess. All right, looking at the statue or the figure they have here, again with the white dress and the bandages. So all right, I guess they know what they're doing over there with that other outfit. Check this out. Hopefully the glare is not too bad. This is a collectible figurine. It's the Scarecrow, or a Scarecrow. I think it's related to Halloween Horror Nights. They just came in late. Wasn't there a Scarecrow haunted house before? So $25 for this collectible figurine, and they have one other. Also $25, the Universe collectible figure of Frankenstein. Frankenstein's monster. Let's be proper and correct. A monster. Just those two. I think I'll take a moment and show you this Felix the Cat t-shirt. Black. Check out the graphic there. $35 for this. The long sleeve t-shirt is $45. Felix the Cat. Looks like Felix is doing tattoos. Stuff on the sleeves as well. Let's see here. Felix the Cat cartoon is what that sleeve says. I think there's some new merchandise inside of DreamWorks Land. Or at the very least, it is new to me because I don't keep tabs on Gabby's dollhouse that much. $25 for this plush. Maybe you know who it is. I don't know, but I don't know the character. I just know the plush is now here. Well, this one is only $22. Is this one less popular? Back up to $25 for this one. Looks to be some type of mermaid cat? What? The Bumblebee here. Back to the $22 price point. $35 for the hat or headgear, cap, whatever you want to call it. I think headgear, probably not the proper term. That reminds me of like braces, but the headwear. There we go, that's better. The headwear, $35. I suppose I can show you one or two items inside of the Quickie Marts. For $27, this is still on my list as one of the best souvenirs you can get from your Universal Orlando vacation. Best vacation ever. Yep, 27 bucks. The words here are kind of like feel like a vinyl. 30 bucks for the dough t-shirt. Homer with his donut, I guess. $55 for the seasonal sweatshirt, The Simpsons. Oh, what fun. It is. It is. Oh, what fun. There's a classic t-shirt to show you inside of the San Francisco Candy Factory. $27 for the Shrek t-shirt. Just another sexy bald guy. Universal Studios. And for the ladies, for $33, I'm with the sexy bald guy. Something I want to show you inside of my favorite store, the Film Vault. Check out this Ghostbusters display. The library back there is $350. Slimer is $75. And we have, it says 50 for the actual Ghostbusters. I don't know if that's for all four of them or if it's individual. There's the four of them there and the price marker of 50. If I had to guess, I would guess $50 per Ghostbuster. But there's the whole set. I think it's pretty cool. That's it for now. But don't forget, I will be doing a New Year's Eve special at Epic Universe. We'll call it, I don't know, Rick's Rockin' New Year's Eve. Be sure to watch that live. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you New Year's Eve.